Hi guys, Dolly the Rebel here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. Make sure you subscribe down below and join the family. I'm coming back with some tutorials. I'm thinking about calling you guys Tayler gang. If you don't know, my name is Tayler. Hi, nice to meet you. And so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. This is pretty much like my everyday go-to look. Like, if I don't know what I'm going to do, or if I'm in a rush, I'm just like, okay, I want to look like something, this is the look that I go to. So I think it's very simple, very easy. Just pretty much using like 4 shadows. You can use 2 if you want, 2 matte shadows in a shimmer shade type of look. This look can go with anything. You can wear like a nude lip with a gloss and liner like I'm wearing, or you can do like a burgundy lip, or you can do red, whatever you like. This look can pretty much go with anything, job interview, whatever. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Make sure you check the description box for all details and everything. Again, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting out more videos soon. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so moving on to the eye portion of the makeup tutorial. So I kind of have some creasing, so we're just going to tap that back into place. So the palette I'm going to start with today is the Dose of Colors Desi X KD Friendcation palette. I would open it. Some of my some of the shimmer has like broken and fallen, so it's a mess on the inside of the palette. I'll try to like either insert the palette or something in the video so you can see what it looks like if you haven't seen it. But I'm going to use the colors. I'll start off with, is that necessary? I'm going to start off with basic chains. Yes, necessary, which is like this like flesh color. And I'm just start off with that and just put that right into the crease. So I'm going to tap that right into the crease and then kind of drag it out a little bit. And then I'm going to go into the color Churro. And I'm just going to deepen the crease with this color. So I'm just going to tap it and pack it, and then just kind of like fan it out or windshield wiper it out. And then I'm going to go in with Chains, which is like this dark brown color. And then I'm just going to add it to like the outer V portion of my leg. And then take it in just to blend it out. And the key to doing your eye makeup or any portion of your makeup is blending. So just take your time, blend it through. Make sure it's as seamless as possible. Make sure there's no harsh lines. I normally go from top to bottom, so it creates that gradient effect from light to dark. And then you can add a little bit more depth and just, you know, take little by little, so you can add more if you need to, but it won't be so hard to blend out either. So now I am going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. I don't even know what the name of this brush is. And I'm going to take some Urban Decay All Nighter spray. I'm just going to spray it a little bit. And I'm going to go into the Desi X Katie Round 1. It's a quad palette, looks like this. And I'm going to go in with Sue's right here, which is like a lighter bronze color, like a light champagne color. And I'm going to put that right into my lid. And I'm just going to tap it. And I'm going to create like a cut crease, but without really like cutting the crease harshly. With the shadow instead of using a eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to take that blending brush that we use for those brown shades and just blend into that shimmer. Then I'm just going to go back into the Friendcation palette. I'm going to take this, I guess like this dense, not dense, but like a flat dome type shape brush. And I'm just going to add a little brow highlight. And I'm going to add my signature cat eyes. So I'm going to use this Givenchy. Yes, I'm bougie now, guys. Eyeliner in Disturbia. And it's just a felt tip liner. Alright, so I'm going to do my other eye off camera and I'll be back to do the face. Alright guys, so now I'm back with the face. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is their matte poreless foundation. And I mixed them. So I use 330 and 338. So I kind of changed how I do my foundation, or how I apply my foundation. And then I'm just going to take this MAC, I think this is 195. I can't see, all the paint's gone. So, and I just kind of like dot it on my face. And then I'm going to take this Real Techniques 204 brush and I'm just going to buff it into the skin. So how I do my foundation now is I actually just stipple it and then I buff it out to create a more flawless finish, or more flawless look of my foundation to make it look more skin-like. What I like about the Real Techniques brush, it doesn't leave it streaking. I don't even use like a beauty blender to blend it out. Jeez. Alright, and now I'm going to go back into my RMCA palette and use another one like the lighter concealer foundations. You can use them for either or concealer or foundation. It's very buildable. And I'm going to use it to highlight my face, to do my highlight. And I'm just going to take that Real Techniques 206 brush again, and I'm just going to pat that in place and then blend it out. And now I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa, and I'm going to use this to contour. And now I'm going to go in with my MAC brush in 109, and I'm going to just blend out that contour. So same thing, like my eyes, I stipple that and then I kind of blend it out. And I'm just going to take some translucent powder and I'm just going to set my highlight. And then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Powder Palette, and I'm just going to set that contour. And I'm just going to add some blush to my cheeks. And this is MAC's Lovejoy. And I'm just gonna dust away like any excess powder. And I'm just gonna spray my face with some all-nighter spray. And I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors highlighter in Fuego, and I'm just gonna highlight the high points of my face. I'm gonna use this MAC 240S brush. And I'm just gonna set my makeup with some face powder. Alright, and I'm just gonna line my lips with some liner. And then this is the Dose of Colors lipstick Desi X Katy collection in Hey Girl. I'm gonna add some glitter gloss. This is Over the Top Desi X Katy collection. Alright, and this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just going to throw on my lashes and give you guys some final details. And yeah, so be right back. Alright, so I'm back with the completed look. I added some lashes and a little bit of eyeshadow to my bottom lash line. And that's really about it. So if you like this video and you want some more tutorials, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload next time. And yeah, check out my clothing line. I have a clothing line, Tough Life Collections. That's what I'm wearing right now. This is like a baby pink and white shirt, so it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, I'll have it linked down in the description bar. Give that a look. And also check out my website, www.dollytherebel.com as well. If you're in Atlanta and you need an Atlanta-based makeup artist, hit me up. I got you covered. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.